So ladies and gentlemen, introducing the luxury coastal living nestled in a prestigious Nyali area of Mombasa. Let's have a quick look to this beautiful show house. This side we have a posh lounge, amazing gypsum ceiling. We walk to the other side of the house. We have 8-seater dining area. On the other side, we are going to the kitchen, a glorious kitchen with lots of cabinetry. The jewel of this project lies on the terrace, where state-of-the-art luxury amenities await the residents, from infinity pool to sunbathing deck, entertainment terrace overlooking to the Indian Ocean, and sky view fully equipped gym.